If you're interested in making huge amounts of money, spending less time in front of the screens, well, then you might want to check this out. I've built a tool I call the prime time reversal, which takes advantage of trending markets, and it's going to change the way you trade. Check this out. Now, I'm just looking at sterling, right? Bottomed out in September 2022. It's had a shot to the top side, back to the downside, and then it started establishing itself in an uptrend. It wasn't until we hit this low here where the uptrend became a bit more pronounced. And that's what we're sort of waiting for the uptrend to kick into gear. All I'm doing is using my knowledge around trend lines and trends, adding in a simple moving average to tell me whether it's going up or down. And then it's showtime. From this point on, I'm looking to get long, right? And if I just have a look on my charts, I get the crosshairs up. When did that happen? 15th of May. Now, let me just show you the prime time reversal and how it takes advantage of these opportunities, looking to capture the longer term trend. And not just using trend lines, using a few other specifics to get us into the trade, save us spending endless hours in front of the screens. Okay, so let's just look at the setup on the trading platform. Now, just once again, fine-tuning the date. Obviously, very important to focus on the right date. We get the 14th, the 15th. It's right there. Okay, so this is when I would be turning the prime time reversal on, when there has been a significant shift and the uptrend is now in play. Now, let me just show you the prime time reversal in action. Okay, now this is prime time reversal in action, putting it through the strategy tester just to show you how it works. Now, a long-term trend, you're not looking to place trades every day. In fact, trying to execute and stay in a long-term trend as a human is very hard. But if you set up a trade tool to focus on the unique timing of the opportunities, you can start to make some serious cash without spending a lot of time in front of the screens. Now, Prime Time Reversal has executed 3 trades from May 15th to the current market levels. The first trade netted 25,000. Okay, the second trade, a false move on the downside, cost us 2.5. But we caught the last part of the move, and that was when the trend really kicked in, and that netted another 25K. All up, just under $50,000. And how did we do it? Well, I built a tool that was set up with unique characteristics to capture the timing of the market and then ride the trend out with a take profit and a trailing stop for good measure. Now, this is a trade tool that will not only change how much time you spend in front of the screens, but how much money you make. And the US dollar is about to go into a trending situation. It's prime time to get into prime time reversal. For more details, check out our Traders for Traders website. We'll shortly be adding details of the prime time reversal. Good luck and happy trading.